My name is Taha. For a long time I felt tired without knowing why. I was not doing very hard work. I was not physically exhausted. But still, I felt mentally tired. Even simple tasks felt heavy. Even small goals felt difficult. At first, I did not understand the reason. Then one day, I started observing my daily routine. In the morning, I checked my phone immediately. I read negative news. I scrolled through social media. Then I compared myself with others. Someone was more successful. Someone was more confident. Someone seemed happier. These thoughts followed me the whole day. Later, I spent time with people who always complained. They talked about problems. They talked about stress. They talked about negativity. Slowly, I realized something important. My energy was being drained, not by work, but by negativity. One evening, I went for a walk in the park. I sat quietly on a bench. An elderly man was sitting beside me, reading a book. He looked calm and relaxed. After a few minutes, he closed his book and smiled. He asked, "You look tired. Long day?" I replied, "Not really, but I still feel tired." He nodded. Then he said something interesting. Energy is not only physical, it is also mental. He continued, "If you fill your mind with negativity, your energy will decrease. If you protect your mind, your energy will increase." Those words stayed in my mind. That night, I thought deeply. The next day, I made small changes. I stopped checking my phone immediately after waking up. I avoided unnecessary negative news. I spent less time comparing myself with others. I also started spending time with positive activities, reading books, practicing English, walking in fresh air. Slowly, I noticed a change. My mind felt lighter. My focus improved. My motivation increased. I realized something powerful. Your energy is valuable. Not everyone deserves your time. Not every thought deserves your attention. When you protect your energy, you protect your growth. Now, whenever I feel drained, I ask myself one simple question. What is draining my energy? Then I make small adjustments, because protecting your energy helps you move forward. Final thought. Your energy shapes your mindset. Protect it carefully. Focus on what helps you grow. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep protecting your energy. And always remember, protect your energy, and your progress will grow.